Hi, it's Joel, the parts manager at Steel Hyundai, 3625 Kemp Road in Halifax. Welcome to summer. It's about time, isn't it? It's lovely, warm. You can smell the ocean. You can smell the hand sanitizer. It's just great to be in summer, isn't it? And another great thing to do is drive in the summer. But in order to drive, you need to make sure your car's up to snuff. Well, here's another one of our specials, and that would be Hyundai batteries. Effective immediately until August 21st, batteries are $10 off. So $10 off any Hyundai battery from now until August 21st. We keep many in stock, and we're fortunate to have our supplier in Dartmouth. So if we don't have it, we usually can get it fairly quickly. So book your appointment, 902-405-3698. Email bdchyundai@steelauto.com, and we'll see you at your next service.